This is called the Smiling Buddha Kriya. This again is a very relaxing way. I like doing these just right into this class. We're just going to get right into it with these meditations because it's Friday. Typically we're a little bit tired by the end of this time of the week, and it sets us to just clear, and then we can move forward into our weekend with a sense of satisfaction, of completion, of okay, well, how was my week this week? All right, it was great, it wasn't so great, whatever, and I'm just going to move forward from whatever that is, right? So here's our next one. This is called the Smiling Buddha Kriya. It's really beautiful. So you're going to lock your thumb on the Sun and Mercury finger. So ring and little finger locks, the thumb locks those down. And the other two fingers, these are Jupiter and Saturn fingers, are together. Now we want to pull our shoulder blades to where they're pulled back. And this mudra, the position you're making of the hands, is right back by the shoulders, okay? Now, you're going to keep the hands and the elbows pushed back so that you're making another angle. This time it's an angle of 30 degrees. So the 30 degrees is from the elbow to the fingertips. It's here. So like, for example, this would be 60 degrees. So this would be 30 degrees, okay? This straight up would be 90 degrees. So we want about a 30-degree angle. This is the science of angles and triangles. So we want to be very precise with how we angle ourselves. All right, so put your 30-degree mark on the hands, shoulder blades pulled together, and their chest is lifted, chin is slightly dropped. Close the eyes, please. Keep your elbows pressed back, chest out. And with the eyes closed, I want you to roll them up to your third eye point, the space between the eyebrows. Now, as you inhale, I'd like for you to vibrate sa, ta, na, ma. And as you exhale, I'd like for you to vibrate sa, ta, na, ma. Continue to vibrate sa, ta, na, ma, sa, ta, na, ma. So this is the Panj Shabad, which is the cycle of infinity. It's the 5 sounds that the universe creates. This is a very outstanding Kriya. It was practiced by both Buddha and Christ. It's the great teacher who taught Buddha this Kriya found him in a nearly starved and unhappy condition. Buddha was able to walk after his 40-day fast under the fig tree and began eating slowly. The great Brahmin fed him and massaged him. When Buddha finally started smiling, the Brahmin gave him this one Kriya to practice, and this is the one that we're practicing now. It was the first of any that he practiced, and it's important to practice what he practiced in order to earn his state of consciousness. So we're referring to the Buddha, who is pure compassion. You've probably seen this hand gesture before in many gestures or paintings and statues, and it is a gesture and happiness of it is a gesture and exercise of happiness, and it opens the flow of the heart center. So we're opening ourselves to our full potential, blossoming into our full potential from the heart. So breathe and vibrate sa, ta, na, ma, sa, ta, na, ma. Just experience the state that this brings and feel the peace and beauty that this Kriya brings. So keep going. I'm going to be here for about 2 minutes. This is the mantra.
Sa
Hold the posture steady. Last 60 seconds. Concentrate on the sounds of the mantra mentally. Keep your angle precise, 30 degrees. Keep up. Beautiful.